The best wood stove is the one that best meets your needs. There is no single, best, wood stove, as different people have different needs. Some people need a wood stove that is very efficient, while others need one that is easy to operate. Some people need a wood stove that is portable, while others need one that is permanently installed. Ultimately, the best wood stove for you is the one that best meets your needs. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am presenting the best wood stove in detail briefly, so let's get started and enjoy this video. The best wood stove links are given in the description box. Number 1. REDCAMP Wood Burning Camp Stove. If you are an outdoor enthusiast, this portable camping wood stove is the best deal to consider. It will steadily burn bright throughout the night at the campsite. It comes with high-quality stainless steel that tolerates the heat and lasts longer. Besides that, the material is not susceptible to corrosion or rusting. This wood stove has a cuboid design that provides support to the cooking utensils. It also creates a more stable and safer cooking surface. The stove allows an individual to use leaves, twigs, branches, and wood to produce heat. You can also use this wood stove in the house to generate heat during winter. Advantages: durable, easy to use, highly portable, use minimal heating fuel. Number 2. TOMSHOO Portable Camping Wood Stove. This portable wood stove offers a sturdy and safe cooking point, thanks to the strong stainless steel materials that provide a solid construction design. The material also helps to boost the longevity of the stove. It can withstand heavy weight and high heat generation. This double-structure wood stove enhances efficient burning and production of less smoke, thanks to the wide openings that allow free flow of air and the addition of fuel. It is an ideal choice for camping, hiking, outdoor survival, and picnic barbecue. Advantages: use unlimited fuels, versatile applications, sturdy and stable construction, convenient to store and transport. Number 3. Camp Chef Alpine Heavy Duty Cylinder Stove. This cylinder stove is a great choice for those who need a reliable and durable stove. It is made of heavy-duty materials and features a cylinder design that makes it easy to store. It also has a large cooking surface that is perfect for cooking for a group. Each component is designed to fit inside the stove, along with the removable legs, for easy storage and transport. We have even drilled the hole for you for installing your pipe damper. A roomy cooktop and door damper makes it easy to control the heat for cooking chores. Advantages: resistant to corrosion, easier to store and transport, suitable for warming water.